Bonjour, everybody. So I wanted to take a minute to show you how to use wordreference.com, which is the website I recommend if you're looking up words that you don't know to create your poster or your letter or create your speech that you're going to give about the topic that you've chosen. Wordreference.com is essentially a dictionary, but it has some really cool features that you can use that are going to help you with your writing and help you look up words and then choose the correct words to use. So you go to wordreference.com, make sure you select English to French if you're looking up an English word that you want in French, and French to English if you saw a word in an activity we did and you wanted to look up its meaning, then you're going to do French to English. Right now we're just going to do English to French. So let's say we were looking up the word right. I click on right. And keep in mind, even in English, when you're talking about right, you have a lot of different meanings of right. For example, are you wearing the right shoes? What am I saying? Are you wearing the correct shoes, the appropriate shoes? Do you have the right to do something? That's a different kind of right. I'm turning right. That's a direction. So thinking about all those different words in French, there are different words for the one word that we have that mean all those things. So let's take a look at what those are. So right, are you saying it's correct or it's true? Then you might want to use the word bon or bonne. Right, are you saying appropriate? Then you might use bon or bonne as well. Right, are you saying adjust? It's only right that you have a fair trial. You might use the word légitime. A lot of you guys might be using in French 3 the word droit as an entitlement. Women had to fight for the right to vote. You're using the word droit. All right, so it shows you what the context of the word you're using. And what's really nice is it gives you an English example and a French example translated so that you can see if it is the right context of the word you're looking for. All right, another cool feature of word reference is that it shows you the conjugations of word you're looking for. So if I click on the word play, for example. All right, let's say I wanted to conjugate the word jouer. Now I see that jouer is supposedly the word I'm looking for. I'm going to click on the word, and it'll take me to the screen where it shows me the French to English. So one, I can listen to the word. Clicking on écouter, it should say listen on your screen. And I can also conjugate the verb. So next to the verb, you'll see this arrow, this kind of thick arrow, and then after that, vi. When I click on that, it's going to show me all of the different conjugations of that verb. So I know I conjugated it correctly. Are you talking about the past? Are you trying to use the passé composé? The present? Do you need the future tense version? All right, so it'll show you the different conjugations of the word. Remember that whenever you use a verb, in most cases, you have to conjugate it in some way. Present, past, future, conditional. What are you trying to express? Are you going to play something? Did you already play something in the past? Are you playing something right now? Did you used to play something? All of those are going to have a different tense. So what's really cool is you can check after you've conjugated it, or you can just check the conjugations here. You can find the correct conjugation that you're looking for. All right, so those are just a couple of the cool features on word reference. You can play around with it. There are some other features. There's also a forum. So let's say you were looking for expression like, oh, don't play with me. Then you might be able to type in play with me. And then if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, it'll say play with me, looking for that expression and how it might translate. So again, play around with it. There are some really cool features here, and it's really useful when you are looking for ways to express yourself better.